Hey Permacult, welcome back. I'm your host Alana. Today we're going to be planting the first fruit tree for our food forest. We'll be planting a pomegranate and we'll be putting it on the north side of our yard. You want to plant your trees and taller plants towards the northern end of your garden so that they don't shade your other plants and so that they get plenty of sunlight for themselves. Okay, so here's our baby pomegranate tree. I got it from the local nursery right down the street. It is a wonderful pomegranate and it produces late in the season, about October, November for our region. It's not going to produce fruit for us next year. Our fruit trees, berries, most of our perennials that'll be in our garden long term take a year to grow and get established before they start producing food for us. So let's start by digging a hole. Okay, so now we have a hole that is slightly deeper than what our tree is planted in now, and it's a little wider on both sides. So now we can take it out of its pot and backfill in the dirt. And there you have it, the permacult's first fruit tree. So I'm gonna leave these ties on here to support the branches because we're gonna get some storms this weekend. I wanna make sure the branches don't get wind damaged. Also, you would usually give your tree a good drink of water after you plant it, but we just got some rain yesterday and we're gonna be getting more this weekend and our soil's still pretty wet, so I don't wanna waterlog the roots. So I'm just gonna let nature take care of it. I'm also going to leave the description tag on here so that we can remember what we planted. So I hope that we've inspired you to start growing your own food. Plant a fruit tree. You can get some dwarf varieties that do great in containers if you only have a porch or a patio in an apartment. You just need to make sure you have good sunlight If not, you can supplement it with artificial lighting. So if you like what you see and you want to keep following our journey, hit the like button, hit subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter at the Permacult. We'll see you next time. Bye.